welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to be making squishy. You're going to make a pineapple squishy, and what you're going to need is some foam. It doesn't have to be this exact foam, but like you're going to need an appropriate size. Well, if you're going to have a large, you'll need about this size. If you're going to have a small, you need about this size. If you're going to have a massive one, then this. I'm going to make like a medium at the moment. So now you're also going to need some tape, 2 sheets of paper, and some colours. It's called the last DIY video if you want to see how I made this. Anyway, so basically you're going to need scissors, like pens or highlighters, but I think highlighters work better because they just like look better and they're just like easier to colour in. Anyway, you need a pen and a pencil, and yeah, let's go on to the video. So guys, start off with a pencil just to draw your trace, and once you're done you can go over it with a pen, but you don't have to if you don't want to, so I'm just going to draw my pineapple. That's what the body looks like so far. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to look good on the sponge. See, my sponge is a little bit ripped here, but who cares because we're going to be going over it with paper anyway. This is the body, and now we're going to continue to draw the lips of the pineapple. So guys, by the way, this is going to be a paper squishy, not a regular squishy, so that's why it looks a bit different to your normal average squishies. So guys, if your body, like on your pineapple, is not that big, just like join it up to the leaves like this, and then you just do that. Drawn it on it. If you're using like pen, it might not be dry, so just be cautious about that. Anyway, so now you're going to use some scissors. I've got both pairs, so if one turns out to be like wrong or doesn't work, then we've got backup. So just finish off the back cutting because you see, like if you've got the bumpy like egg box shaped sort of foam, then you're going to have to cut a little bit of the bump off. So basically I've just finished cutting. If you want a normalish squishy, not a paper squishy, just leave it here. But if you want, you can just put some tape around it and it'll like trap all the air in, and it'll all turn into like, do you know the ones that you buy at like eBay or whatever? Yeah, you can just leave it like that and it'll make a paper squishy. But obviously, as you can see, it's not really slow rising. If I just do that, it comes straight up. But it's not really like slow rising. That's why I'm gonna like get this tape, be like, just go like, well, you might be like a good squishy. So it's the tape. We're waiting for you. Yep. So guys, we'll see you in a minute when the tape's ready. So guys, basically, I done about two longish bits, about this long, and then I cut up 1 medium bit and 2 small bits. So basically, we've already done a bit, and it's already sort of slow rising. But now we're just gonna do the rest. So see you in a minute.
Whenever we are could be the last, why would we wait? Why would we wait? And every road could be a okay, we'll make it, it's just who we are.
Guys, it might look a bit tatty at first, but this won't show, so don't worry, it's all gonna be like that. So guys, I basically just finished taping this. It looks pretty good. As you can see, it started kind of slow rising. So guys, basically now we're just going to have to draw around it with a pen or a pencil. I think I'm going to do a pencil first, just in case you make a mistake. Let me just trace the pineapple. Doesn't that look so realistic? Well, my awesome sister helped me out. Special thanks to my sister. We're going to have to do the colour in it finally. That looks good. Guys, should I do this with this? Point out which one. Okay, you picked this one. So guys, see you back when I'm done. Guys, I'm so excited. Look how sick this looks. I'm gonna do all the kawaii eyes here, and it's gonna look so fabulous. And I'm gonna kiss it, and I'm gonna kiss it, and I'm gonna kiss it. Watch me work. On me, Nana. If you have another piece of paper, then you basically stick your squishy thing in this cute pineapple, stick it to this, and then, like, if it's a pineapple, and then it's like this, you just cut the corner, and then carry on going around it like this. So guys, once you've cut the background out, you can see it doesn't have to be perfectly cut, because you don't want to have a pear. I made the perfect squishy. Who cares? It's just literally, just draw a picture, put some tape over it, literally stick them together. So that's basically what it looks like on the inside. It literally has nothing. So now you just do that, and you literally put your squishy inside. And then you like bend it. Guys, basically I just taped the picture on here, and look how sick it looks. It doesn't feel as soft as a regular store-bought squishy. That is a really nice one. If you actually build a face, feel it, baby. Look how cute it is anyway. It's got like a kawaii face. Squishiness. I just want to squish it. Marry you. Anyway, I'm kind of weird. Don't worry about it. I'm just excited because it's my birthday on Sunday. Just started the yard. So guys, the shout out for today is Jasmine Calendar, because she's been a very supportive friend to me throughout all my tough times. So, and thank you for subscribing and commenting. Thank you very much, and see you all later. Peace out.